Wanying, Binondo. Binondo is the Chinatown district in Manila. It became the center of commerce during the American occupation. Many of the Binondo's commercial establishments were destroyed after the World War II, with companies moving to Makati, one of the financial capitals of the Philippines. The name Binondo is a toponym derived from the archaic spelling of the Tagalog term Binondo.
Welcome to Binondo. Before, Binondo was just a hacienda owned by a certain Don Antonio Valeda, but in March 24, 1899, the Governor General Don Luis Feria das Marinas bought it. The district is therefore known as the birthplace of a Chinese mestizo, including Saint Lorenzo Ruiz, who became the first Filipino saint, and Mother Ignacia del Espiritu Santo, a mestiza de Sangle who was the founder of the Congregation of the Religious of the Virgin Mary.
How to get in? You can use taxi. Taxis are abundant in Manila and constitute the fastest mode of transport of getting to Binondo from other places in the area. You can use also LRT that take your ride from Baclaran Station to Carriedo Station. By water bus, the Pasig River Ferry stops at Escolta Nation not far from the Jones Bridge.
How to get around in Chinatown. Chinatown is best explored with kalesas or horse-driven carriage. There we have the taxis and jeepneys are also available. Welcome to Binondo Church. Binondo Church, built in 1596, the church is home to the Our Lady of China, and in front of the church, Plaza San Lorenzo Ruiz lies. The original building was destroyed in 1762 by British bombardment.
Binondo Church, or the Minor Basilica of San Lorenzo Ruiz, is one of the oldest places of Christian worship in the Philippines. It is founded by Dominican priests in 1596 to serve their Christian converts to Christianity. Masses are held in Filipino, Chinese dialects, and English. Inside the church, you can find paintings of the Stations of the Cross.
Santo Cristo de Longos is an image of crucified Christ known to be found by one deaf and mute Chinese in an old well in the barrio of Longos. The image is now displayed in a niche with a glass cover near the side entrance of Binondo Church.
Welcome to Ongpin Street. It is a home to many Chinese herbal stores, restaurants, and groceries. Ongpin Street is named after Don Romano Ongpin, a Chinese businessman who gained fame for his financial support of the Katipunero rebels during the successful uprising of 1896 against Spain.
The Buddhist temple, Pochuan, is open to the public and is worth visiting as it shows the roots of the Chinese Filipino. You can burn incense sticks and utter your prayers. There is also these red wooden half moons you can use to have your fortunes told.
See the old Art Deco style buildings in Escolta Street. This used to be the home of many luxurious fashion brands and slowly declined in the 70s after the growth of malls.
Hokkien cuisine is prominent in the district as most of the people are Hokkien ancestry. Tikoy, sticky rice cakes, hopia, mooncake, kiampong, a variant of fried rice, siomai, a variant of dim sum, siopaw, Hokkien version of baozi or steamed buns with meat filling, matchang, glutinous rice with the meat filling wrapped in banana leaf, a kind of dim sum in a way. Mami, noodle soups, hakaw, also a variant of dim sum, are just some delicacies worth trying.
Are you looking for fresh lumpia? Poheng Lumpia House serves 45 peso fresh lumpia served with peanut sauce. The place, devoid for air conditioning, is located inside an old building with a courtyard.
In Ongpin Street, Engbitin is the home of the best hopia and tikoy. Engbitin sells different flavors of hopia like hopiang hapon, hopiang baboy, hopiang ube, hopiang queso, pastillas de leche, hopiang munggo, and the Vietnamese hopia. They are now introducing their new frozen custard hopia. Other delicacies like yema, peanut bar, broas, lengua de gato, tikoy, tart, and many more. So when you go to Binondo, don't forget to buy pasalubongs at Engbitin.
The Binondo Suites is a 3-star standard business hotel strategically located in the heart of Chinatown. Binondo Suites, Manila provides you with the luxury and amenities of an international standard business hotel.
The Binondo Suites is a hotel that you can afford with easy access to entertainment, shopping havens, and tourist spots.
The comfort of 79 suites and rooms with excellent and warm service will make you feel at home with a touch of a little more class. Binondo Suites is located at 801 Ong Pin and S. Padilla Street, Binondo. This is the Manila Grand Opera Hotel, the only elegant hotel in downtown Manila. Stands at the former site of the Manila Grand Opera House, known for many years as a theater with a history. It is located at 925 Rizal Avenue corner, Doroteo Street, Santa Cruz, Manila. It is a few kilometers away from domestic and international airports. Across the river Pasig from the Binondo area is Manila's oldest district, the walled city of Intramuros. Visit Quiapo, home of the Black Nazarene, which is in Quiapo Church. Devotees flock during January for the annual festival of the Black Nazarene, believed to give miracles and blessings.